Hello everyone, welcome to today's module on open and proprietary tools for digital forensics. Dear friends, we have been mentioning in our earlier modules that forensic experts should be equipped with latest, validated, verified and updated tools during the investigation of computer and cyber crimes. The selection of standardized tools for investigation is the major and vital concern during the whole forensic investigation. So, it is almost mandatory for all the digital forensic experts to know about the most appropriate tools for their investigation. But let us first see what we mean by forensic tools. As we know, digital forensic is a process of preservation, identification, extraction and documentation of computer evidence, which can be used in the court of law. So, there are many tools which help in facilitating the investigation and make the whole process of investigation simple and easy for us. Starting from the write blocking, imaging and taking hash values to compare original hard disk to copies, and their use continues during the whole analysis process. Such tools are even required to automatically generate complete report that can be used for legal proceedings. Such tools should most appropriately carry out the basic tasks like reading partition tables, file system, recover deleted files and find keywords. Although it is very difficult to decide about a single tool that for whole investigation, because every case is unique and demands the use of multiple tools. This is because every case has different inconsistent variables to analyze. For testing the credibility of selected tool or to validate a selected tool, we can work on known data sets and the results can be cross-verified using various different tools and results can be compared to check the credibility of selected tool. To determine about an ideal tool in the field of digital forensic, we can assume some very practical aspects like it should be reliable, reproducible, repeatable, globally accepted, maintain the integrity of evidence, flexible. It should be fast in analysis and reporting. It should be able to identify relevant information, determine priority, compatible with wide variety of devices and operating system. Although there cannot be a single solution for all the problems encountered in digital forensic investigation, but obviously an investigator surely search for all such parameters in a good forensic tool. So, there is always need of proficient and experienced investigator who have the thorough knowledge about the latest trends not only in the computer and cyber crimes, but also should have the knowledge about the latest type of the tools to combat these crimes. Not at any point the investigation should be hindered due to the lack of knowledge and availability of latest tools required during the investigation. These tools are very useful as long as investigators follow the right procedures. Otherwise, a good defense lawyer could argue about the authenticity of evidence presented in the court. Digital devices used for commission of computer and cyber crimes contains bundle of information regarding suspects' activity. So, to detect all the information from these devices, you require special dedicated software and hardware tools like for memory forensics, write blocking, disk imaging, software tools, hashing tools, reading partition tables and file system, recover deleted files, to find keywords, registry analysis tools, mobile devices analysis tools, network forensic tools, database forensic tools and to collect and decrypt information. So, there are wide range of dedicated tools which can be categorized as open source tools and proprietary tools. Open source refers to the software whose source code is openly published and available for anybody to access and to modify. and it is free of charge. There is long list of open source tools available online. While proprietary software is not free and refers to the software which is solely owned by the individual or publisher who has developed it. All these open source and proprietary tools are developed for some special purpose, like for disk imaging tool is used to clone the data on the hard drive. Write blocker is a specialized type of the computer hard disk controller tool made for the purpose of gaining read-only access to the computer hard drives, therefore guarantee the integrity of data. Whereas hashing tools compare original hard disks to copies by analyzing the hash numbers on an original and a copy disk. Then there is file recovery tools to find and retrieve the deleted files from unallocated space which are still not overwritten. Whereas analysis tool attempt to locate precise information on hard drive from large storage space. Then there are software tools for decrypting and cracking password to access protected data, etc. Let us now see some of the most accepted proprietary and open source tools or the golden standard in the field of digital forensic investigation. EnCase, it is the most conventional and accepted proprietary tool by Guidance Software. It is the most traditionally used in the field of computer forensic to recover evidence from seized hard drives, to carry out detailed analysis of user files, to collect evidence such as documents, pictures, internet history and window registry information, etc. It also has a free version which can be used for evidence acquisition, which is very easy to use. This tool is known as the EnCase Imager. Then there is FTK or the Forensic Toolkit is a computer forensic software made by SS Data. It scans the hard drive and finds the information of our interest. It can locate deleted emails and scan a disk for text strings to use them as a password dictionary to crack encryption. Whereas FTK Imager is a data preview and imaging tool used to acquire data in a forensically sound manner by creating copies of the data without making changes to the original evidence. SS Data has made both FTK and FTK Imager available for download for free with a limited check, where the FTK Imager can be used for free indefinitely, but FTK only works for a limited amount of time without a license. You can also order a demo for SS Data. Then there is COFFEE or the Computer Online Forensic Evidence Extractor, a proprietary toolkit developed by Microsoft to help computer forensic investigators to extract evidence from a Windows computer installed on a USB flash drive or other external disk drive. It acts as an automated forensic tool during a live analysis. Then there is Forensic Explorer, again a proprietary digital forensic suite by GetData for Windows computer again. OS Forensic is another proprietary tool for Windows platform. It is considered one of the multi-purpose toolkit. X-Way Forensics. X-Ways Forensic is an advanced fast tool, a product of X-Ways, provides an ideal environment for the computer forensic examiners. Good tool for disk cloning and imaging, to retrieve deleted files and offer many additional features, support many file systems. X-Ways Forensic is fully portable, can run on any Windows system using USB flash drives. ProDiscover Forensic. ProDiscover is highly efficient tool for disk forensic at sector level. It can recover deleted files, examine slack space, assess Windows alternate data streams. This product support a wide variety of Windows, Linux and Mac file systems. Paladin. Paladin Forensic Suite, the world's most popular Linux forensic suite, is a modified Linux distro based on Ubuntu, available in 32 and 64-bit, a type of imaging and cloning tool compatible with many file formats. Then there is SIFT or SANS Investigative Forensic Toolkit. It is an open source tool that is freely available and frequently updated. It is Ubuntu based live CD, which includes all the tools you need to conduct an in-depth forensic or incident response investigation. TCT or the Coroner's Toolkit is also a good digital forensic analysis tool. Includes a suite of programs for Unix analysis used for analysis of data and data recovery. The Sleuthkit, it is a collection of command line tools which help in analyzing disk images and recover files from them. It is used in autopsy and many other open source and commercial forensic tools. Where autopsy is an open source tool, easy to use, graphic user interface based software which is exclusively used both for computers and smartphones. It is a plug-in architecture that helps us to extract web activity from common browsers to help to identify user activity. Registry analysis, email analysis, EXIF, which extract geolocation and camera information from JPEG files. Then it also helpful in file type sorting, media playback, then thumbnail viewer, which displays thumbnail of images to help quick view pictures. Then there is encrypted disk detector, which can be helpful to check encrypted physical drives. It supports TrueCrypt, PGP, BitLocker, SafeBoot encrypted volumes. CANE, that is Computer Aided Investigate Environment. Again an open source tool which is Linux Live CD, which is bundled with lot of forensic tools to prove a complete package for analysis and generating reports. Xplico. Xplico is a good software tool for network forensic analysis, which is supported by multiple network protocols like HTTP, SIP, IMAP, POP, SMTP, TCP, UDP, IPv4 and IPv6, and is very useful in recreating the contents with packet sniffers. Let us now go through some other open source digital forensic tools. Tools for memory forensics. Volatility framework. The volatility framework is dominantly used for advanced memory analysis and forensics. A product of Black Hat, Volatility also provides an exclusive environment that enables advanced analysis of volatile storage in RAM in runtime state. Windows Scope. Windows Scope is another memory forensic and reverse engineering tool used for analyzing volatile memory. RAM Capturer. RAM Capturer by Belkasoft is a free tool to dump the data from computer's volatile memory. It is compatible with Windows operating system. Magnet RAM Capture. You can use Magnet RAM Capture to capture the physical memory of a computer and analyze various articles in memories. It supports Windows operating systems. Then there is tools for disk forensic. Bulk Extractor. Bulk Extractor is also important and popular digital forensic tool. It scans the disk images, file or directory of files to extract useful information. In this process, it ignores the file system structure, so it is faster than the other available similar kinds of tools. It is basically used by intelligence and law enforcement agencies in solving cyber crimes. Tools for network forensic. Wireshark. Wireshark is a network capture and analyzer tool to see what's happening in your network. Wireshark will be handy to investigate network related to incidents. Network Miners, an interesting network forensic analyzer for the Windows, Linux and Mac operating systems to detect the operating system host name, sessions and open ports through packet sniffing or by PCAP file. Then there is Nmap, that is Network Mappers, is one of the most popular networks and security auditing tools. Nmap is supported on most of the operating system including Windows, Linux, Solaris, Mac operating system, HP, UX, etc. It is open source, so free to use. Then there is FOAR, or the Forensics Acquisition of Website. It is used to acquire web pages for forensic investigation, which has the following features. It captures the entire or partial page. It also helps in capturing all types of the images. It also helps to retrieve HTML source code of the web page, integrate with the Wireshark. NFI Defrazer. Defrazer forensic tool may help you to detect full or partial multimedia files in the data streams. Then there is EXIF tool. EXIF tools helps to read, write and edit metadata information for a number of file types. It can read EXIF, GPS, IPTC, XMP, GeoTIFF, Photoshop, FlashPix, etc. Then Kali Linux. Kali Linux is one of the most popular platform for network security as it performs penetration testing, but it can also be used for forensic purpose also. So I stop here and would like to add here that the tools discussed so far are just stated for your better understanding. The list of online tools is quite exhaustive. You can select a tool as per your evidence and requirement. You can also opt for trial versions of various freewares. And if going for proprietary tool, you can check your requirement and budget. Under this new normal work from home culture, our reliability on computers and its related technology has increased drastically. So are the crimes, which has increased exponentially. With lots of online classes and chat sessions are being hacked by culprits. The backlog of the cases are already very much. So we require a high-end digital forensic tools for handling, management and analysis and reporting of such cases. There are many free and proprietary tools which help you to conduct memory forensic, write blocking tools, hashing tools, imaging tools, disk forensic tools, web forensic tools, forensic imaging, mobile forensic tools, etc. As such, tools help in speedy evaluation of digital evidences, provide in-depth information regarding the proof under investigation. Early forensic tools were not that impulsive and sensitive in comparison to current forensic softwares. Computers and cyber crimes are getting more and more pronounced. So the field of computer forensics should also evolve with same pace. So we need most proficient forensic tools to address this challenge. Although the development of more sophisticated digital forensic tools is making the forensic examination easier and faster, there is need of proper selection of forensic tools which can enhance the analysis of the evidence many-folds. So friends, I stop here. Hope by now you got a good idea about various digital forensic tools. Hope it would help you in your future accomplishments. Hope you enjoyed the session. See you. Goodbye.